Hey there, I'm assuming you clicked on this video because you want to learn about how I achieve my natural hair braid out. Well, here you go. Done! Actually, let's do this the right way. We're going to start from the top. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. It's See Me Naturally here. If this is your first time coming to my YouTube channel, go ahead and leave a like, comment if you have any questions or if you just like this video, and also subscribe. So today I am going to be doing a tutorial video of how I achieve my natural hair braid out. This is a go-to style that I use for it whenever I'm going out or I want to look good. It's very quick and easy for me to achieve. So I'm going to be showing you all how I achieve mine, and hopefully it'll be helpful for you guys. What I have here is I've started with my hair in two buns just to separate my hair into sections. But what I'm going to start off with first is working with this section and then this section, and we're just going to braid up each section. Whenever I am achieving a natural hair braid out, I will use some sort of leave-in conditioner. I have here the OB Natural Sweet Almond Heavy Cream that I'm using as my leave-in, and then I'll use an oil as well so that I have shine, and I'm using my trusty Marula oil because it's super moisturizing and effective. Okay, so here we are going to start off by separating our hair. I'm starting off with one side of my hair by splitting it. So I'm splitting it into two, and then I'm putting it into its own separate section. Yep. Same thing for the other side. I am splitting my hair into two, and then I'm going to put it into its own section. So at the end you should have about 4 sections. Yep. 2, 3, 4. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to begin the process by first putting in my leave-in conditioner straight to the hair strands, and then making sure that I get close to the root as well. Splitting it, and then after this I'm going to start and detangle my hair. I like to start off right at the roots and then comb all the way through, or right at the tips and then comb all the way through. Now I'm going to be applying my oil to the hair, nice and easy, just so I have that shine as I mentioned before. And then I'm going to begin by braiding the hair. This is a 3-strand braid, so I'm making sure that I have even parts and that I am braiding it nice and tight. Adding a little bit of cream to the tips, keep it nice and moisturized, and now moving to the front. So I just repeat the same process throughout my entire hair. And there you have it. We're gonna wait for 10 minutes and then we'll be back. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. We're now gonna take down all the braids and we're gonna style the hair. See, you can see as I'm taking the braids out, my hair has this wavy pattern, and we're gonna break it apart nice and easy, but not too much. So this is one side, nice and easy. And this is the other side. So now our hair is nice and wavy, and we're just gonna gently pull it apart, glue in the back. We're gonna take the wide tooth comb and just lift the hair. This creates volume. If you want your edges to be a little bit more slick, you can take some gel and brush your edges down. Like so. Brush it nice and smooth. Like so. So this is my wavy braid out. As you can see, it's really not hard to do. It just takes maybe about 20 minutes of your time, and of course patience, because you have to detangle your hair. But yeah, this is it. So I hope you liked this video. If this was super helpful, please like, comment, let me know that you enjoyed this video. If there's more tutorials that you want to see, go ahead and leave a comment as well. Also share this video with all of your friends, family, anyone that you think could benefit from this video. And also don't forget to love yourself, and thanks for seeing me naturally. Oh wait, you're still there. So before you go, I want to leave you all with a quick scripture, because my page is also about motivation, and I'm a Christian, like I said in my intro video, and I just want to spread some inspiration with you all. So this comes from Colossians 3:12, and it says, "Clothe yourself with compassion, kindness, humility, gentleness, and patience." All right, now you can go.